Back to another lab demo. We're just going to go ahead and get this one done quickly since it is going to be a shorter one. Talking about our resume, which here, have my resume right here. This is actually my professional resume that I've been turning in for grad school applications and other work stuff, which, as you can see, just got all my references, got everything here, work, my other experiences, my education, everything. Anyway, but I want to talk about my skills here that I possess from this class that I can highlight. Mainly being these highlighted yellow ones here, which I'll start off talking about Git and GitHub. Become very well practiced with Git and GitHub throughout this whole entire process. You come here, you can kind of come to our home page here. Just learning how to make commits and everything via the GitHub, and we also use Git Bash. It's a software. It's basically like a terminal that it allows you. It links you directly to the Git Git interface, and can use all the relevant Git pull, Git pushes, Git checking out when it comes to branches, because we are using branches, as you can see. But anyway, the whole entire Git interface has become a lot more useful with creating issues and just all around being more efficient as programmers. On top of that, we also have our wiki here, which we've been using to hold all our meeting minutes from all the meetings that we've had thus far in the semester. It also contains our high-level understanding of our project here. Here we've also got the design documentation right here. It's bringing me to a pop-up to download it. I'm not going to do that. I'm not sure why that isn't embedded. Something must have changed along the line. And then other UML markup stuff, just that kind of thing that we've discussed in the past, as well as the insights into commits and everything. This is something else that I really enjoy with the Git and GitHub, everything. Just become more efficient overall. Next, talking about XAML, and that goes hand in hand with .NET MAUI. Talk about .NET MAUI multi-platform app over here. This is sort of my end of the things with this is a total default. This is just a default project that I brought up. I don't have the project housed on anything with this machine that I'm on. This is strictly my schoolwork computer. I have all my coding and everything on my PC at home, but still, even so, I'm working front end for the project, so I had to go in and learn XAML, and that's been a really interesting process. That main page.xaml there is the base one that pops up with the project, and then also learning the .xaml.cs, the linking CS or the linking C# for the XAML form here. It's been really interesting using those, and it's also been really good learning about .NET MAUI apps because they're a lot more, they're new and they're going to be much more relevant as time goes on for us, and B, they've also allowed us to get a more overview understanding of how an application works. So you got a front end, you've got a linking, you've got your main program here, and then in between there, the things that we've been doing and learning has been, it's been touching on so many different levels of just overall software development, app development, and it's been really beneficial. So that's why I included those on my resume here. That's about everything when it comes to what I've learned. I'm obviously still learning since we're not done yet, but yeah, that's the updated resume.